Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have kind of a different video that I am excited to do. Today we're kind of doing like a Chanel 24K fall winter variety show. So what does that even mean? I want to go through some of the bags that I've been loving from this collection that I saw at the preview that I went to the other day, and just chit chat kind of like where I'm sort of at with my bag journey. Then I want to transition into like a review chit chat on this beauty that I unboxed the other day. This is the shearling flat bag from this collection that I just shared with you. And then we have like a cutesy little unboxing to do at the end. So it's kind of like, I don't know, it's gonna be a fun time. I just feel like, you know, grab a drink, champagne, wine, coffee, tea, bubble water, like whatever the vibe is where you are, and let's talk about this collection. I love the fall winter collection every year. Partially, I think because it always comes around my birthday, which is in September, but also I just feel like Chanel is at their best in the fall and winter. Like a tweed jacket, layering, sweaters, cardigan. I just feel like Chanel does their best work for the fall. I'm a fall girly. I love fall fashion. It has literally been 90 degrees here for like 3 days in a row, but I've been like, hi fall. Hi fall, it's me, Maddie, where are you? Okay, but to start with, I made a little folder of all of the pieces that I saw the other day. And so, you know, I like to time it to one with the recording to make my life easier. We will return to the shearling flat bag, but let's start talking about the mini Coco handle. This is kind of one of the it bags of this season. I like hate to say it bags, but I feel like a lot of people are obsessing over the mini Coco handle, the super mini, and the shearling bags. This mini Coco handle is so cute. And honestly, normally I don't really like Coco handles. I feel like it's too much bag for me. I know some people love them, they're obsessed with them, but I just feel like it's way too much bag for me. However, this mini, it's super cute. I'm kind of like twisted over it because it doesn't fit a phone, and I went in my bags that I'm on the chopping block video, which is very controversial. It's just a thought experiment, people. It wasn't for real. But I already have 2 black bags that don't fit a phone, and I feel like that's enough. I don't also need the mini Coco handle. I'm like at purse piece with that, but it is, if you don't have something like this already, I think this is a really good option. So there's that. Okay, then I took a lot of photos of it. I was really loving it. Then we have this sparkly number. They also brought this in like a white pearly color. It's really pretty, but it's like 8,500. It's pricey. I mean, it's not like, listen, the sequin bags can literally go off the charts. I think it's a pretty good price. For me, it was an odd size. It's more of a medium size than like a mini bag size. And for that, I didn't think it was great. Oh, I also tried on this bag from P. It was a no for me. It was like too high, and I don't like it when they do like the leather piece and the chain straps. I actually find like, maybe it's more comfortable for some people, but it actually slips off my shoulder. Like it actually does not work for me. This piece, okay, this is the mini card holder version. There's a larger clutch version in velvet, which I think is really beautiful. The construction on this is gorgeous. This teeny tiny thing, I want to say it was under 3K, which is absurd, obviously, but in Chanel world, for what it is, for the construction, I think it's quite nice. And then the full size clutch, I want to say it's around 6, quite nice also. Then there's a Coco handle. I was looking at this because I was like, I love these minis. Do I love a Coco handle? No, I do not love a Coco handle. It's too much bag. It's too much bag for me. These were kind of like my favorites that I was looking at while I was there. This box bag was really cute. It did fit a phone, but probably like only a phone. Really super structured. Heavy. It was heavy, honestly. Cute, very cute, but like heavy too much. They also had this little SLG thing. It's a cute option, but there's just like not a lot of there. It's kind of like, I don't know, it doesn't feel special. I feel like if you were gonna wear this look, you don't need to be paying Chanel prices for that look. Okay, the sequin bag though, this was interesting to me. This was, I wanna say around 7,000, but just because the way the sequins were structured, it wasn't as scary as the pink and pearl one. It was like a little bit more, they're a little bit more on and together. And I was definitely liking that one. Oh, here, a ready to wear video slipped in. I did not get that. These are the jeans that I did get. Okay. We're not talking about ready wear. This beige mini, that's the beige color. I thought it was a little too cool. Did come in pink. The pink one's hard to get. I wanted to see the pink one. They didn't have a pink one to see. I did try on this cocoa handle, which I do like this pink color. Is it too cool for me? I'm not sure. Cool isn't cool toned. Not cool isn't like cool. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think I like it. I didn't realize that was a video. I think I like it. But I feel like the cocoa handle is a little fussy. Not the cocoa handle. Cocoa Crush. The Crush is a little fussy. It is nice because you get more flexibility, but I think it's a little fussy. The Mini XL, I have to see it in person to decide. I didn't like the beige. The beige felt a little cheap. I don't know if it's the construction of the bag or what, but yeah, some food for thought. That was just my outfit for the day. Now you get to see I take 20 pictures of my outfit for the day. Okay, now let's move on to the shearling flat. This is my shearling flat, and that is the mini that my friend got. It was so cute. Hers was like, the mini are like curlier, so they look like little babies. They're so cute, but you can see, okay, the size difference is significant. So we can, oh, here's some quick mod shots. Here I am wearing it with the long strap. Very cute. Here I am with the short strap. You can see it's a really good drop. It's love. Okay, now, oh wait, I have to stop the recording. Hold people. Oh, I hope I got that. Ooh, variety is indeed the spice of life. Did we capture that recording or not? Well, I guess we'll find out. And if not, I will watch the video and try and match it up. But anyway, here we are. Let's move on to this beautiful classic flap. So as you saw in the video, or you will see, depending on if it recorded, the mini is like goes about to here. So it's quite mini, like it would probably only fit a phone sideways like this. I think it was about 6 inches like that. So is a pretty mini size mini bag, more like a mini square bag. This, I wouldn't call it like a medium. I would call it more of a small, maybe medium. But here's the thing with this bag, why I picked this size and not the mini size, which is the double strap. So on the mini size, there's only one grommet on the top. So, oop, there, rattle. So you cannot wear it doubled. You can, but the strap will have to come around this way, which I don't think is so cute. So I like that this one, you can wear it doubled. I feel like doubled is in right now, but great news. If crossbodies ever make a valiant return, it still goes crossbody. And so for that versatility, I felt like this was the one to go for. Now for colors, this kind of like, I don't know, call it like natural or like golden color has been the more popular one, harder to find. But there are other colors that are still available in boutique, or so I've heard. There's the black on black, which is actually really cute. And I feel like more carefree as if you're also wearing black. If you're wearing white, then I'm like, would you leave lint on it or would it leave lint on you? I don't know. And then there's the black and like red, or like, I don't know, it's like a terracotta color. That one is kind of like a specific look. I feel like this one is really easy to style, and I feel like the black one's easy to style. The black and terracotta, I don't know how easy it is to style. There's also a different version, shearling bag, with like CCs all up the side, and it comes in a white fluffy color, and I think that one's really cute too. And I also heard a rumor from my sales associate that there are more shearling bags coming for Coco Neige. So if your store gets Coco Neige, think about it. Now, I mean, I heard a rumor Coco Neige is gonna have shearling. Not exactly groundbreaking, but interesting nevertheless. There's also, I think, a shearling 22, but it's more like that nubby shearling and less of this like beautiful, fluffy, yummy, yummy, yummy. I love her. Ugh, I love her. Okay, now part 3 of our little adventure. After my massive haul, of course, I got a follow-up text. Oh, we pinned this for you if you're interested. And actually, I feel like it is a good thing for me. So it is a piece of ready to wear. You just slide it out. Oh, oh, oh. I just got tissue. I can't anymore with packaging. It is this little cashmere tee. I feel like it is a good color. It's kind of like a warm blue, if that's even possible. A faded blue, so it's like this nubby cashmere knit material. It is, I believe, 100% cashmere. Okay, 5% polyester. It's a blend, bless them, with a little subtle CC in front. And I just thought it was really pretty. I think it'll go with my eyes. What do we think? I don't know, a little cutesy kind of thing. I took this in a size 48, but with the knits, you can like pretty much take any size plus or minus 4, 3, and retailed for $2,400. So there's that. So cute. I feel like even like, I don't know, the other day I was wearing this woolly bag with like another blue shirt, actually from Abercrombie, and jeans, but I feel like this bag with jeans and this and my brown boots, it's a whole look. I'm very excited for it. Anyway, I would love to hear what you guys think of all the bags that I saw for the preview, what you're kind of eyeing from this collection. What did I not see that I'm interested in? I didn't see the little wristlet clutches. I think like that is a really cutesy kind of look. I'm interested in those. I don't know. They're like a little wristlet kind of vibe. I really liked them on the runway. I don't know if I would love it or hate it in real life. I could go either way. I might love something like that, you know, like just like low key. You could have it on your arm while you like have a drink at like a work event or something. I might have to ask for that when I go back in. But anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this collection, if you're picking anything up down below. Then otherwise, I will see you in my next one. Okay, bye.